The biggest principle that allows the integrated project delivery method to be successful is a high level of collaboration among all team members from the start of a project to the very end of a project. So in designing a team office for the use of varying sizes and complexities of IPD projects to be worked on, it was important for us to design a space that would be open, flexible, and encourage the team members to collaborate together. The design Evan and I came up with is a 3,600 square foot open office space where all the visual sightlines are kept throughout the space. We felt it was important to not divide the space up with built-up walls, but to rather leave the space completely open and allow the furniture to define the different areas within the space. All the furniture can easily be moved around, so the team has the flexibility to create different spaces, whether the spaces are more open or more closed off, or the space is able to house more individuals or less, depending on the needs of that particular IPD project. In the current layout shown, we created 4 different pods within the space. The first pod would be used for quick morning meetings or quick gatherings for the team members. The second pod is currently showing where the architect, developer, and code official would be placed. The third pod is showing where the contractor, subcontractors, and structural engineer would be. And the fourth pod is showing where mechanical, electrical, and plumbing would be placed. Each of these pods can be opened up or closed off depending on the placement of the movable dry erase and pinup boards. And behind pods 2 to 4 are breakout workspaces that the team can break out in order to have larger work areas. We also created a large conference room enclosed with a glass curtain wall where the whole team can come together and have meetings while viewing the BIM models or drawings or even drone footage on a large screen TV. We also felt it was important to create a printing and plotting space for the team to utilize while working on a project. This will allow the team to print drawings quickly in order to collaborate and go over different aspects of a project. The break room is located in the middle of the office space and open to the entire office. We felt this went along with the open concept design we created and allows the team to be open to the workspaces as they take a break, so they're still able to collaborate and just kind of see what's going on in the office. Overall, I think our design really encompasses the needs to handle any IPD project. The space we created is open, flexible, encourages collaboration through the use of all the visual sightlines kept throughout the space, and the ability for all the furniture to easily be moved around.
When considering the design of our co-location facility, we wanted to focus on an area that was built around an open floor plan. Originally, our floor plan was designed to be around 7,000 square feet, but after collaborating and meeting with our team, we decided to make our area smaller in order to save on costs for the project. We ended up with an area that was 3,603 square feet. We feel like this area will provide an ideal area for our co-location facility because smaller area will further promote a family-like environment. This area will help to enhance collaboration in many different ways. The first way is having all the key members of the project team all in one area. Having these members together working as one team will help break down the barriers of collaboration that you would find in a non-IPD project. This space will be flexible to having different numbers of people because the tables and chairs that can be easily moved around in order to accommodate differing needs. There's a large conference room in this facility that can be used for meetings of ranging sizes. This room is equipped with a large screen TV that can be used for video conferencing, BIM, as well as seeing videos of the project completion. One helpful tool that we purchased as part of this project was a drone. The drone would be used to fly around and video the project status, and that video could be projected onto the screen. Team members could then discuss what is actually going on in the project and see if there's anything that needs to be fixed or changed in order to keep the project on schedule. This type of technology we thought would be very useful in enhancing the project outcome. Whiteboards will be spaced throughout the area to keep up with the project schedule and for team members to use as needed. They can be used to brainstorm and they will help in promoting creativity for the project. These whiteboards will be mobile so they can be easily moved for use in different areas. Furthermore, a morning meeting area will be established outside the conference room where the project manager can meet with the team and give expectations for the day as well as address any other key issues in the project. Wall space will be used to hang design schedules, team goals and expectations, and any other information that the team needs to use to complete the project. This is advantageous for all members to see what everyone else has going on. That way they can provide valuable insight on the project. If the contractor needs something from the design team, they are right there for easy access and vice versa. Overall, our team feels that this facility will benefit the project team in many different ways. It will increase the level of communication, therefore reducing the amount of time it takes to make a decision about the project. Another way this will benefit the team is by supporting a common level of goals and values for the project and strengthen the relationships among team members.